Welcome back, everybody. So this time I'm watching railfanning memes that made the UPNS acquisition disappear. Yes, I refuse to call it a merger. But anyway, without further ado, let's just get this going. It's only 4 minutes long, by the way. Where could bro be going?
500 cigarettes.
I don't know, but what is this music that's even playing? It sounds awful. I mean, actually, where is it going? It's a charger just alone. That's not something you see every day. Again, I don't want to listen to this any longer. When you're a real fan and you're about to head home, but then you see this. I don't get it.
Dog the pebble.
Banter. Monster.
Real beer.
Bear.
Coca-Cola.
Spark.
Spread.
BNSF.
Alright, that at least charms me a little bit.
Dog the pebble.
Banter. Monster.
Real beer. Pepsi.
Coca-Cola.
And spread.
Spark.
BNSF detector. Milepost 372.7.
You just got defect detector. Share this with a friend so you can defect detector them too. I probably won't be doing that.
Detector. Milepost 372.7. Main 1. No defects.
No
Repeat.
defects.
No defects. Total axle 392 out.
Catching everyday Amtrak locos. Boring, I know. 281 though.
Bust down.
Okay, let me read that. Modern trains barely able to hit 70 miles per hour. I use the sound of this one.
Bust down.
Mid-70s EMD boxes hitting 90 miles per hour. Is that? Oh, it's queso. Yes, I'm aware of that one clip of someone calling him a C44-9W. Funny, by the way. Cyberphone. To turning off the computer? What? Okay. Derail. Speed and derail.
Take Metro North to the ball.
Chat, we need to take Metro North to the ball game.
Take trains to Yankees East 153rd. Our trains will get you there. That is the word you can buy.
His
Your
lyrics sound
ticket for
okay, at
train
least.
Time. That's our new app. Have you heard? For it's
Excuse
1,
me.
2, 3 lines will get you to Yankees East 153rd.
Guys, look. A birdie.
Oh,
It's pretty.
also, what is this?
Third.
Guys, look.
Train Z Mobile or something? I actually remember playing something similar to this on a mobile device when I was a kid. I don't know which version. I don't remember, though. But yeah, I feel a little nostalgic just seeing this.
A birdie. It's
Up
pretty.
there.
Check it.
We have a problem. Conductor, we have a problem. Conductor, we have a problem. Conductor, we have a problem.
Derailed a little bit, you
Conductor, we
say.
have a problem. Conductor, we have a problem. Conductor, we have a problem. Conductor, we have a problem.
So
Conductor, we
much
have a fucking
Conrail to
problem.
go.
Conductor, we have a problem. Conductor, we have a problem.
Speed, comfort, what? Okay,
We have a fucking
back
problem.
up.
Conductor, we have a problem. Conductor, we have a problem.
I don't get it.
Ransom.
Also, Grunk Bicentennial, anyone?
Brand truck.
Brand
It's
truck.
me, your dry skin.
Ew.
I know I can be.
F40 with feet. It's gone rogue, I guess.
Brand truck.
It's me, your dry skin.
Why though?
I know I can be challenging, but I'm deeper than what you see. I'm craving something we're missing. The ceramides in CeraVe.
Okay. Yeah, get your ears blown out with like 100 K5 LLAs while you're at it.
Motherfucker.
Oh, hell no.
Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
AI garbage.
Motherfuckers, come on. Motherfuckers, come on. Motherfuckers, come on. Motherfuckers, come on.
Oh.
I got 7 Mac 11s, about 8, 38s, 9, 10 Mac 10. The shits never end. You can't touch my riches. Even if you had MC Hammer and them 357 bitches. Biggie Smalls, a millionaire, the mansion, the yacht.
Hell
We
no.
fuck 2 hot blocks. That's how I got the weed spot. I shot bread in the head, took the bread and the lamb bread. Little body got the
No, not the cherry.
Or you might miss Christmas. I took guns, I make
Art
number
was
runs. I
strong.
give MCs the run tripping.
Why you
When I
gotta
put my
do
clip
this
in the
crap?
AK, I slays it by the way. Everybody hit the DECK.
Sorry,
My
cool
soul
cat.
flows remarkable. These two Mateo.
Okay,
Now we
no
smoke
more.
weed like 20 Mateos with the
Please.
yayo. That's
Stop.
crazy.
We'll
Thank
take
you.
you outside of a train and
Now we smoke weed like 20 Mateos with the yayo. That's crazy.
we'll take you outside of a train and also inside of one also as well. That way
What?
you can get idea of how to when you see a one of these, it is you get an idea of just how important trains.
Oh my.
Yeah, you see just how important they are. Smashing into every idiot that tries to race them at the crossings and whatnot.
An idea of just how important trains.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Das war erst die Ruhe vor dem
Gettysburg Railroad, 1995. 1278.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Das war erst die Ruhe vor dem Sturm.
Well, he did.
Erst die Ruhe vor dem Sturm.
Next one. Doctor, you will die in 1 hour. My dumbass. So you spend one last hour of your life just rail fanning? I can respect that. If that's what you want to do, then do it, I guess. I guess that's it, I'm afraid. But yeah, that was rail fanning memes that made the UP&S acquisition disappear, even though it's still ongoing. Not even starting the review yet. But enough of that. That's going to do it for the video, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. Original video will be in the description as always. Take care, everybody. I'll see y'all next time.